come to my attention that I have reached 100 subscribers. Yay! Which is awesome. So, actually, I have 103 subscribers as of today. So, anyway, whoever is subscribing to my channel, thank you very much. It's awesome. I never thought I'd get to 100 subscribers. Never thought I'd get any fucking subscribers. But thanks to you guys for liking my channel and everybody sharing, I've reached over, what, and now I've got 103 subscribers. Also, check down below the video. There's a little thing that says show everything. There's a list of a bunch of links to a bunch of other cool-ass channels on YouTube. Thanks for supporting the little guy and giving us a chance. I got all kinds of things I plan on doing this channel. It's not just you're not just gonna see me in here working on cars, because I got 4 kids and I like doing stuff with my kids. So you might see a couple little kid videos in here. You might see some Lego videos. You're gonna see a lot of tools and all kinds of shit. And the weather's getting nicer, so I will be welding outside my garage door. Apparently my most popular video is of me welding rebar for some reason. I have no idea. Another popular video is me using my planetary ring roller, which doesn't make any sense, but it's like flying out of control. But yeah, ultimately, thanks for subscribing to my channel. I never thought I'd get this far. I never thought I'd make a damn YouTube channel, but it's fun. It's been I'm averaging about one video every other day, if not one every day, because the reason why is I make such small videos is because my upload speed is like less than 5 megabit. It takes forever to upload, so I have to upload small videos at a time. I'll usually make 5 or 6 small videos. I'll put them on, I'll chunk them on and put them every other day so people have something to watch instead of putting 5 videos out in one day. About the most it took me, I think, I don't know, almost 24 hours to upload a 10-minute video. So that would tell you how shitty my internet. I've tried getting other internet connections, but a lot of them don't have the upload speed. I tried applying for Skynet, or not Skynet, but I call it Skynet, Starlink in my area, because there is no other high speed, and I'm still waiting. Put a deposit. Still waiting. So yeah, 103 subscribers. Thanks to every one of you. And thanks to all my friends and anybody in my family watched. It's embarrassing seeing my face on here because I'm still not used to it. Still not used to hearing my voice on a camera, because we hear it from inside our head. We don't hear it from out. So it's like, ugh, weird. And yeah, it's fun. Because like I've said in previous videos, I do this anyway. I'm not going to ask people to join my Patreon, or, I mean, if you want to send me money, shit, I'll accept money. But I'm not going to ask you to send me money. At least I'm not that broke. I don't need any money at the moment. Yeah, of course we all need money. Donate to a charity. I tell people, if you're going to send money, go to your local food bank and drop them off 1 can of soup or something. I like supporting food banks. And stay sane, enjoy yourself, and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to check out the group of crazies that we have listed on the bottom here. They're all awesome. I think we got Outlaw Edge, awesome channel. We got... what else? Ralphie Customs, Myco Knight, DG Customs. What the hell's the other one? I don't know. They're all listed on the bottom. So if I forgot your channel, where's the little thing here? If I forgot your channel, I'm sorry. I put your thing on the bottom. And if I didn't put your thingy on the bottom, let me know. I'll put your little thing on the bottom. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks a lot. Bye.